Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Eric from Got Tech. I've got here a special guest who's going to be helping me unbox this Realme 5 Pro. That special guest is my daughter, and she goes by the handle Majestic Unicorn 23.
Thank you for inviting me, Dad Gotek. Very excited to do my phone's unboxing. This phone is mine, right?
I have to think about it, but let's do the unboxing first, and then we'll decide. Alright, before we unbox the phone, can you tell me a little bit about the specs?
The Realme 5 Pro has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 chipset with an Adreno 616 GPU. Variants include 4GB of RAM with 128GB of storage, which costs 11,990 pesos. Also an 8GB of RAM with 128GB of storage, which costs 13,990 pesos.
Okay, and what about the cameras?
It has 4 cameras. Wow, that's nice, Dad. A 48 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, a 2 megapixel portrait or depth sensor, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. For the battery, it has a 4035 mAh battery with VOOC 3.0 flash charge, which is 20 watts.
Is that fast?
I think so.
Well, let's test it out later then and see how fast it actually is.
Okay, Dad.
Alright, so let's get started with the unboxing. Go ahead, Majestic Unicorn 23, unbox that phone.
Okay, Dad. Unbox it. Cannot open it right now.
Hard time?
Yes.
You can do it.
I cannot seem to open it. I need help.
Okay, hang on. Do it this way.
Okay, Dad. Thanks.
Okay, what's in that box you just took out?
We have this case right here.
Okay, show it in the camera.
It's this case right here. It's clear. And I really like it.
Okay, you like clear cases. Let's put that aside. Alright, so there's the phone. Let's put that aside for now and see what else is in the box.
Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay, we have this thing. I don't know what it's called. Let my dad tell it.
It's the VOOC charger. This is the one you were telling them about. This is the 20 watt VOOC 3.0 flash charge.
Okay, Dad. Thank you for telling me what that is.
Alright, and we've got the charging cable. Okay, so this is the charging cable. Show it on the camera.
Okay, this is it, guys. This is the charging cable, and I like it since it's white and it's part of my, my favorite colors.
Alright, your favorite color is white. Okay, let's put these aside. Okay, and get all these manuals out of the way. Alright, so you see these are the other phones that we've reviewed. I haven't actually uploaded the video for the Redmi Note 8 Pro, but we did the unboxing on that. And just to show you guys, these are the freebies that came with the phone. So I've got the Realme Buds. It's an in-ear earphone. Let's do a quick unboxing of this and see what it's inside. Oh, I think I broke it.
Oh my gosh.
No,
That's kind of funny because you broke it.
never mind. It's important that we get what's inside the box. I think I'm gonna break it. See if I can open it other way.
Maybe you just need to, put it out first and then do it.
Yeah. Trying, but it's hard.
Okay.
Okay, managed to open it. Oh, there. Okay, took it out. So these are the earbuds. It's a wired one, and it says "Proud to be young." Okay,
I am proud to be young.
that's good to hear. Okay, take it out. Take it out. Put that box aside. Oops. Okay, so these are the earbuds. It seems to be magnetic.
Yeah. It looks very neat to me and I like it.
Yeah, this is it's part of your phone, so you get it. Right, another freebie, which is it's a fast charging power bank with a 10,000 mAh capacity. Let's open this up. And it says here, in love with our community. Alright, Realme Philippines. Okay, Realme power bank. It has a nice matte texture.
It's kind of smooth a bit.
Okay, you've got two ports. Not sure if you can see it clearly. Okay, and you've got that micro USB cable. If you want to charge the power bank itself, you can. And it also has a USB-C port there. So let's test it out later. Let's just put that aside. Now to the phone itself. Okay. Uh, let's move it. So this actually has a dual SIM capacity, and it has three slots. So the three tray slot. So you can put two SIMs at the same time and a micro SD. So that's good for those who still have their micro SDs. Alright, and as mentioned, this is the crystal green color. Looks like glass, but as this is actually plastic, and the one on the Redmi Note 8 Pro, it's not the same shade of green, but this one has a glass back. So let's turn it on. Alright, so let's wait for that. That's the Realme logo. Okay, and the usual language selection. Let's put it as English. Next. Regional options, so we're here in the Philippines. Let's select that. Alright, and let's connect to Wi-Fi real quick. Okay, connected, and it's asking for the terms of use. Read and agree, yes. Okay, take a few minutes. Okay, and like any other setup, you can choose to copy your apps and data. I'm not gonna copy that for now. Okay, let's skip the sign in and so that we can get an idea of what's there on the phone. Accept. Alright, so setting up the fingerprint, face, and password. So at the back, that is the fingerprint sensor, right? Majestic Unicorn?
Yes, it is.
Alright, so let's do that setup later. Let's just go ahead and skip this. Okay. You do get the Wi-Fi assistant. You can automatically select the best Wi-Fi. Let's enable that. Do I want it to switch to data or cellular network automatically? Nope, not right now. Let's just continue. Software updates. Yep. Import data. Let's set this up as a new phone for now. So there are some suggestions on which apps to install. Skip that. And let's start experiencing. So off the bat, you see this has the Color OS. So same thing that's being used by Oppo, if I'm correct. So let's go ahead and start experiencing the phone. Alright, quick size comparison. Let me just get the Redmi Note 8 Pro over here, guys. Okay, so if you notice, they're both green and they both have this fingerprint sensor at the back. So very similar. Okay, size-wise, the Redmi Note 8 Pro is a bit bigger. It comes at a 6.5, and 6.3 is for the Realme 5 Pro. Okay, so let's just put that aside for now. And I've got here another phone, the Nova 5T, the one that I unboxed with my son, who's also a YouTuber. So quick size comparison across the board here. The Redmi Note 8 Pro is actually the biggest phone from the three. Okay, so Majestic Unicorn, tell me a bit about the screen.
The screen is a 6.3-inch IPS LCD with a full HD resolution, but only comes with Gorilla Glass 3 protection, and it has a polycarbonate back, or in other words, plastic. It has a USB-C charging port, and good news, it still has a headphone jack.
Alright, that's good news for those who still rock a wired cable, so the freebie that came with the phone can actually use it, since you've got some place or still got the port to put it in. And as you mentioned, it has a polycarbonate back, so even though it looks like glass, and I like the diamond-like pattern on it, this is still plastic. Or the best term that has been going around for it is plastic, because it's plastic that looks like glass. So something new, some new words that you've learned, right, Majestic Unicorn?
Yeah.
All right. So you told us about the camera. Let's do a quick camera test over here. How do you select the 48 megapixel then? There you go. Ultra 48 megapixel. Let's take a quick picture here. Oh, okay, it's detecting that it's a macro, but I don't want to use that for now. Nope, can't change it. I don't know how to change it. Okay, Ultra 48 megapixel. So how's the camera quality? Alright, pretty good. It actually captured the texture of the surface that we've got the phone on. And if you guys notice, if we go in real close, it's going to detect and put it to the macro lens. So let's take a picture of that as well. Okay, up close it's also very clear. And let's do a quick speaker test. Let's put YouTube over here. Let's try to see if I can find YouTube. There it is. And let's put some no copyright music.
Okay, what just happened there?
It crashed. Let's open that up again. Alright, so let's test it here. An ad. Let's skip this. Skip. Okay. Okay, it only has a bottom firing speaker, so it's not the stereo one. So if you cover here, cover the speaker, then yeah, you can. If you're playing games like this, it's going to be muffling the sound. So you'll probably be playing the game with an open palm then. This is the max volume. Alright, sound is pretty good, even though it's just a single firing speaker or a single down firing speaker, but it'll do to fill up a room with good sound. So what I'm going to be doing next is I'm going to be giving this phone to my daughter. She's going to be using it for a week, doing whatever she does on her phone, so playing a lot of games, watching a lot of YouTube videos, and then she's going to tell me how she liked the phone. How does that sound?
That's good. I feel good about it. Because I get to use the phone for a week, and I can tell you what I feel about the phone.
Okay, so I'll hand this phone over to you.
Okay.
Okay, that's your phone. So let me know how you feel about it, and let me know how you like it, and we'll make another video next week.
Okay, Dad.
Alright, so with that, let's just put the phone down. Okay, so with that, thanks everyone for joining our special collaboration video. As usual, like and subscribe to my channel.
And my channel as well.
And hit that bell icon notification, so if there's any new videos that we come up with and we upload, you'll be the first ones to see it. And with that, let's end things here, guys. See you all on our next one.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye.